Hey everyone, it's Kathy Boudreau, Director of Marketing here at ResultsIQ, and I'm going to share with you how we helped one client align all their job titles to job functions and having it happen automatically with the use of lists and workflows. So as you know, job titles can be very diverse, but a job function is usually one set of responsibilities. So in order to do that, we like to create a bunch of lists. So for example, we're looking at anyone who has a lawyer type job description. So as we know, they can be considered titles with like legal or lawyer or counsel, anything like that. So we put all the options in here in the list, and where I want to say where the job function is unknown. So job function was a custom property, and we put in a bunch of functions that they would find useful for list segmentation and just sending out emails and all that good stuff. So we went through and we built a lot of these lists. There's a lot of job functions here. So we built all those lists out. Then we went over to workflows and we created a big workflow here that's updating the job function based on the job title. So basically we created a master list first where the job title is known, the job function is unknown, so it knows to go through and assign stuff. Then we look at the branches here, and for each one, so for example, accounting, it's going to look at the accounting list that I had created, and so on and so forth, right? So it goes through all of these types of job functions and their corresponding list, and then it comes through and it assigns, you can see set job function to, and then it's putting in the risk management or pre-construction or legal, whatever the case might be. So this is really handy because job titles can just vary so much. And if you're trying to send out an email and you have to remember all the different variations, so at least you're catching a bunch right off the bat here and automatically. So as soon as the contact enters your database, it's going through this workflow if it doesn't have a job function, and it's getting created. So hopefully this helps. If you find yourself needing any help doing this, please feel free to reach out. We're at resultsiq.io/contact. Thanks.